Now that we've discussed 3 different methods of estimating team velocity, how do you know which one to choose? The base guideline here is to choose the one that will best fit your team. For example, if you're working with a tight-knit team that's been together for several projects, you might want to use historical values. If your team is brand new, you might have to start with running sprints. And if you're in a special circumstance that requires you to estimate velocity with no data, you may choose forecasting. Regardless of which method you begin with, keep in mind that you can always switch to using the actual velocity values of your team. Using these to get a velocity range will likely be the most concrete of all the methods. No matter which method you choose, estimating velocity will be a valuable tool for your team. Remember, estimating velocity facilitates the delivery of value. Any of these 3 methods will provide you with a more accurate and concrete estimation of how quickly your team can complete any given project. Gaining this more accurate picture benefits your team, your company and your customers. It allows your team to always have the right amount of work, as well as giving your customers an accurate prediction of when their product will be completed. Estimating your team's velocity helps you accurately predict when you can deliver value to your customers. In your current traditional method of development, there aren't any practices in place to collect and apply data and information about how quickly your team works. By choosing and using a velocity estimation method, your team gains valuable insight about how quickly you're able to produce value and how you may be expected to improve in the future.